So written in front of you is NCERT book question. It says evaluate I is equal to 1 to 4. You have to evaluate integral from x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 all added up and individually in modulus sign. So as you can see, for modulus type of questions, we have to first see what are the critical points. And the critical points are, when you individually put them 0, what do you get? You get x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. So that begins our solution. So you write x is equal to 1, 2, 3 are the critical points. So when you know this fact, you are basically going to see a number line in your mind. So infinity to minus infinity, what are the bifurcations? You have 1, 2, 3. So these intervals you are going to talk about, right? And also you have to talk about 1 to 4 specifically. So what kind of things are going in your mind? Things such that x less than 1, x from 1 to 2, x from 2 to 3, x greater than 3. So I am going to utilize all my knowledge into these 4 intervals, because x less than 1 is there, then 1 to 2 is there, then 2 to 3 is there, then 3 and above is there. Also, I want to see that where do I put equality sign? Once there should be an equal sign. So I am going to use that for greater than. By convention also some books follow the same. Now you see x from 1 to 4 is there, right? So x from 1 to 4 will not have x less than 1. So this gets ignored. Then till 4 only it is there. So greater than equal to 3 means then 4 is there. It is included because 4 is greater than 3. Now see, what does my question find a change in? I know that there would be certain branches, like when x belongs to 1 to 2, you write for x from 1 to 2, I have my function as what? Say any value, say 1. When you put 1 or say 1.5, this is positive, so this is x minus 1. When you put 1.5, this is negative, so it is minus x minus 2. When you put 1.5, this is negative, so minus x minus 3. So what is it? X minus x getting cancelled, right? Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 minus x plus 3. So 4 minus x. Similarly, for the next, for x from 2 to 3, right? So this is equal to sign 2 to 3. What is the case? From 2 to 3, my function is what? Say it is the value 2.5. So this is positive. Even this is positive for 2.5 and this is negative. So see, what should be my function value? X plus x is 2x, 2x minus x, so 1x goes, so it is only x. What are the constants? Minus 1, minus 2 is minus 3, minus 3 and plus 3 is 0, so it is only x. Last but not the least, for x greater than equal to 3. For x greater than equal to 3, what happens? I have to see x greater than equal to 3 means all positive. So my function has the value x minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3. So it is what? It is 3x, then it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is minus 6. Okay, so after this step, we are going to see the other steps that we have to follow. So my integral I is equal to split into limits 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 is 4 minus x dx. So 4 minus x dx plus 2 to 3. 2 to 3 would be x dx plus 3 to 4, which would be 3x minus 6 dx. Now let me make a separate line for the further part of the solution. I know that this should be 4x minus x square. So 4x minus x square upon 2, 1 to 2 plus this should be x square by 2, 2 to 3 plus this should be 3x minus 6, 3 to 4. 3x minus 6 becomes 3x square minus 2, 3x square upon 2 minus 6x, 3 to 4. Simply put the limits now because you've already integrated. So 4 2s is 8, right? So you put first 2, so 4 2s make it 8 and 2 square upon 2 is only 2. Then it is minus sign 4 minus 1 by 2, right? So when you have written directly, let's solve it here only. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. So it is 2 and this becomes plus 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. Directly I am writing, right? Now this is what? This is 3 square by 2, which is 9 by 2, minus 2 square by 2 is only 2, plus, and here it is putting 4. So before putting 4, let me solve it here only. So it is 9 plus 5, 14 by 2, which is 7, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So it is only 5. This is how you simplify it. Now plus, put 4, 4 square is 16, 16 by 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Again I am repeating how I did, I am just putting 4, 16, 16 by 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Again put 4, so minus 4 6 is 24. So see, this and this goes simply. Next put 3, so it is 9 3 is 27 by 2. But since already this is upper limit, this is lower, so it should be preceded by minus sign. So minus, and now put you 3. So you are putting 3. So when you put 3, 9 3 is 27 by 2 minus 18. Let me solve it. 5 plus 8 is 23 minus 27 by 2. So what should be the answer? It should be 46 minus 27 by 2. What should it be? It should be 19 by 2. See, because 19 and 27 add up to 46. So this is how you do this kind of a question.